Alright, so the DJI Air 3S is almost here. October 15th is the big day for the launch, and rumor has it you'll be able to grab one in stores by the 23rd. Thanks to some insider info from Jasper Ellens, it looks like we're in for some exciting stuff with this drone. Now, leaks have been popping up all over the place, pretty much every day. We even saw an unboxing video recently, so yeah, this thing is definitely happening. And even though it's technically just an S version, like a mid-year refresh instead of a whole new model, the Air 3S seems to be more than just a little upgrade. One of the most interesting things we're hearing about is this new accessory, the RC Track Controller. This little gadget is like a tracking beacon that lets the drone follow you. Imagine being able to move around while the drone stays locked onto you without needing a ton of manual control. Pretty cool, right? Apparently, the RC Track will connect to the Air 3S through the DJI Fly app, and it'll give you a live image preview while you're flying. Plus, it's got the ability to track the drone at speeds of over 50 kilometers per hour, though the 100-meter range could be a bit of a downside for people wanting more freedom. But hey, you're still getting features like return to home, camera switching, tracking, and even voice prompts. That's pretty slick. And here's something for Mini 4 Pro fans. There's talk that the RC Track might eventually work with that drone too. Of course, no one knows exactly when or how much it'll cost, but it's something to keep an eye on. Now, if you're someone who's thinking long-term, DJI always has something new in the pipeline. We've heard whispers about the DJI Mavic 4, though details are kinda thin right now. Some leaks popped up in September, and while it might not land until early 2025, it's still worth mentioning. The Mavic series is DJI's Pro line, with bigger cameras and 4/3 sensors, which means it's designed for people who need top-tier photo and video quality, and yeah, that also means higher price tags. So, what's it gonna be? Are you hyped for the Air 3S? Or are you thinking about waiting for the next Mavic? Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching. Peace out.